Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So take a look at OLO, OLO, and this is an earnings play, okay? Now, first of all, the AI found this one at 9.11, okay? This was obviously something that had gapped down, and then it come right back up, and the AI spotted that and said, you know what, we think it's ripe for a long right now. And so, yeah, it had one little jog down, after it got up to 945, back down to 926, and then kept moving higher and higher and higher, basically to 11. Now, when I'm looking at a chart, I see maybe some resistance around 1021, but certainly from 911 to 10 is a great percentage move. But what made the trade great? Well, it's interesting. OLO is an earnings play. Now, I would guess that if you asked 100 people on the street, what does OLO do? Probably 100 would say they have no idea. Maybe one will know. I didn't know. But I say this all the time, that when we're in earnings season, I don't really care about the Facebooks and the Microsofts and the Amazons and all the big guys, Apple, releasing earnings. I mean, yeah, it's fun to watch, but to me, they don't give us the biggest bang for the buck. You're not going to see the big percentage moves. What happens though, when you get some of these second, third, and I'll even call this a fourth tier company. I mean, I've never heard of these guys before. When they release earnings, it's usually their day to shine either on the downside or the upside, because that's the time in which, when you do earnings, when you release earnings, that's when some excitement can be. People analyze, or traders analyze it. And so obviously at the beginning, they weren't rewarded at all. I mean, this stock fell to 760, but what time is this? This is the, I don't know how much volume that was, probably minuscule volume. But once the market opened, look what happened. And it just absolutely ran. So that's what made the trade great. I mean, the fact that, it pulled back, the AI saw it, and also the fact that it's one of these little second, third, fourth tier earnings releases that can really give some nice percentage moves. Those are the ones that I absolutely love to watch when we're in earnings season. Not the big guys, but these ones. All right, guys, I want to get back into the trading room, so I'm going to close this down. Today is Wednesday, so we're getting closer and closer to the test drive, which starts on Monday. So in the email you're getting, you will see a link to sign up for the test drive. And, we only do this 4 times a year. It'll only cost you $11.11 for 10 trading days with Trade Ideas. You'll have access to the full premium service, except you will not be able to auto trade. So have a great evening, everybody, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. So again, have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.